Hello friends, I'm come back with new topics and today I'll show you new topics and also I'm excited because before I many time try about these issues, how can I solve? So I think you understand what I topics I show you. Today I show you how you can hide any apps on your iPhone. So before I tried many way and but I'm not success. But recently iPhone, if you update your iOS version like 18, and they updated the new feature, and if you want, then you can use this feature, and you can hide your app specific apps. Like if you want to any your special, like if you want to hide Facebook or WhatsApp, anything, any apps you can hide. Before I used like third party apps like that, but now I can use default feature. So first, if you want to enable this feature, then you should go to first setting, and if you come like general and check the software update. Current my software update like 18, but if you have lower version, then you can use this feature. All right. So if you want to enable this feature, then you can do. So for example, I want to hide the food panda. All right. Then you just tap or few movement like tap and hold. Okay. Then if you hold, then come here. Some option like remove app, require face ID, share app, and edit home screen. All right. So if you want to hide, then you can just tap on the like require face ID. All right. So here in showing two features like only require face ID or hide and require face ID both. So if you want to hide, then you can choose the second option. All right. Then hide apps. Ah, wow, nice. There is no apps. All right. Footprint. So if you want to use right now, so where from you get this for app. So if you want to use, then you can go this feature here, last moment, all apps. I mean apps library. Down, if you scroll down, then here in showing hidden. All right. So if you type here just hidden, then you just just scan. Then here in showing the foot panda. If any somebody just looking here, it will be not work because first need to check your face. All right, just tap. Yeah, faces success. Then showing the foot panda. Then tap and face ID again. Yeah, it's okay, working. So same as you can use and must be you just check the face. Sorry, check the first your software update. That's it. Thanks for the watching and let me know if you have any query. I will try to support to you as soon as possible. Bye bye. See you.